Normally, I would buy regular chicken breast that's just already cut off the bone, but I found these 99 cents a pound chicken breast, and you better believe I jump at a sale like that. If you like easy dinner recipes, show me some love, like and subscribe. I love to use a barbecue rub, but you could use any sort of poultry blend, anything you have in your pantry. The olive oil is going to be your binder, which helps the seasoning stick to the split chicken breast. Here's a pro home cooking tip for you. Make sure to pat the chicken dry first, which is going to help it get crispy. Coat the chicken breast all over with olive oil as your binder, and then next you want to evenly season the barbecue dry rub on both sides of the split chicken. Use your hands to really massage the spices into there, then let that sit for about 10 minutes so the rub flavor is set into the chicken. Preheat the air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and place the split chicken breast into the air fryer basket when it's nice and hot, skin side down. Air fry for 10 minutes. Then flip the chicken breasts so the skin side is up, air fry for 15 minutes more or until done, which is at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, measured with an internal read thermometer. Let that chicken rest for about 10 minutes. Finish with a sprinkle of parsley and enjoy. It's really easy to make a simple 30-minute dinner with this recipe. Check out more tasty ideas at Sip By Go. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers.